Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today's video, I want to go over two of my favorite devices for streaming. I know a lot of you guys been subscribed to the channel for a long time. You know that when it comes to streaming, there's a couple things that we look for. One, functionality. Two, versatility. And three, of course, is the price. So today we're taking a quick look at the Mi Box S. And we're also taking a look at the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This is the 4K version. So when it comes to streaming, guys, we all know that the NVIDIA Shield is king of the castle, basically. NVIDIA Shield is up top. Everything else is a significant drop off. So when it comes to what you're doing with your device, for most of you guys, you want to watch a movie, you want to catch some live TV, you want to be able to do certain things. But the NVIDIA Shield also makes gaming possible because it's extremely powerful. So this is not about the Shield. What I would say is in most circumstances, the NVIDIA Shield is $150 to $200 and over $300 when it comes to the version with more internal storage. So not a knock on the Shield. I own this device as well. It works great, no issues ever, and they do push recent update. But between the Firestick and the Mi Box S, I think this is where most of you guys will be. So let's jump into the specifications of both devices. So the Mi Box S is supporting Android 8.1. So it does have a Cortex A53. This is a quad-core CPU, guys. A Mali 350 GPU. It does support dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 as well as 5 GHz. As far as the RAM and the storage, comes with 2 gigs of RAM and 8 GB of storage. But the Mi Box S does come with a USB port, and you can add additional storage to store your media. This also does have 5.1 Dolby surround sound, Bluetooth 4.0. Now the price of the Mi Box S, it's around $59. However, if you go on Amazon, you're gonna find it a little bit more, and that's because Amazon is in direct competition, so they will find some way to jack up the prices. But if you go on Walmart.com, can get it for about $59. So over to the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This is a 4K version, guys. So this does include 1.5 GB of DD4 RAM. As far as storage, it's the same as the Mi Box. So 8 gigs of internal storage, 1.7 GHz quad-core CPU, and it is powered by a PowerVR GE8300 GPU. Now both of these devices come without an external Ethernet port, but the one thing I noticed about both of the devices is that the Wi-Fi is awesome. You probably don't need to get an external adapter or get the USB to Ethernet adapter. Just place it somewhere decent in your house and you won't need an Ethernet adapter. Now the price on the Fire Stick is $49.99. This also is a snappy device. Now over the years, a lot of YouTubers have been kicking the Fire Stick. Don't get a Fire Stick, it's garbage. Don't get a Fire Stick, blah blah blah. But this is a solid device. Yes, it will not have a lot of storage. Yes, you do have to jump through hoops when you install certain applications, but it is a solid built device. They do issue frequent updates, and the user interface that Amazon has designed is very responsive. Now, of course, on the Mi Box, you do have the Android TV user interface, and this is a very clean interface. I do prefer this over the interface on the Amazon Fire Stick. Just like you guys are used to seeing on the NVIDIA Shield, you do have the option to go all the way down. You can customize your channels. You do have the Google Play Store. I should let you guys know that this is not a full Play Store, so certain applications you will still have to sideload, and just check out videos on my channel. A ton of videos out there showing you guys how to install or sideload application on your device. But user interface, I'm going to give this to the Mi Box. Just beautifully designed, in my opinion. Easy to get everything organized, and you do have your recommended applications, and it is really responsive as well. So I mentioned this a little bit earlier. Sideloading applications, not terribly difficult between either one of them. On the Fire Stick, all you need to do is download the download application. Easy to get. Search for downloader. And it's that orange icon. When you download that application, guys, you can go to certain websites, you can download directly, and like I said, it's not terribly difficult like it used to be a couple years ago. Of course, with the Mi Box, you do have the Google Play Store. All you need to do is go to your apps. You're gonna go to get more apps, and you do have all your apps and games, and you do have the voice function to go ahead and search for your apps as well in the Google Play Store. Now in some cases your apps are not going to be located in the store, and this is simple as well, guys. You can either download the ES File Explorer, where you can go ahead and go to websites, or you can download your favorite browser and install applications that way. So what this video is about is not to sway you guys either way. Personally, I'm showing you my experience with both devices, and really it's a win-win, guys. Both devices are priced well, both delivers, and both of them are reliable. They do issue frequent updates, and it's just one of those things where if you don't need an NVIDIA Shield, you don't want to spend $300, $200 on an NVIDIA Shield, you just want to enjoy your movies, enjoy your TV shows, both of these devices are solid options. Both devices are good decision in my opinion. What it comes down to for me personally is which interface do you prefer better. Now, do you like the Android TV interface, or do you like the Amazon interface that you're seeing now? Drop your comments in the comment section below. I want to know which interface you guys find more appealing, either more snappy, better organized, whatever the case is, and let me know what devices you guys have, which one you would pick if you're going out to buy one, and let me know why. I will be leaving Amazon links in the description, but like I said, for the Mi Box, it might be worth it to go ahead and shop around in other places just to get your price down. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to share this video, hit the thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.